with Shane Battier, and you love the competition. Coach Popovich, such a class act. Kinalikan pa nga si Dwayne Wade.
What a sport. I mean, he might be a great sport in the media.
Yeah.
It's just it's a media, but look at him on the court. And I remember these two coaches faced off in the All-Star weekend. Popovich versus Spo. I talked to Pop. I asked him about his opinion about Spo, and without batting an eyelash, Popovich said the guy deserves more credit than he gets. He is an excellent coach in the league. He'll be one of the best when his time is done.
Well, Coach Spo, 3 times in the finals, 2 championship rings, and we will be back with a celebration here at the American Airlines Arena. Sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ABS-CBN Sports dyan sa
Manila.
Manila.
Boss Peter Musni,
Boss Peter,
Boss Dino.
At lahat po, maraming salamat sa pagkakataon dito. Magpunta uli sa Miami. It was a joy to cover 7 full games of great competition of 2 of the best NBA teams. Para po kay TJ Manodok, ako po si Boom Gonzalez. Miami Heat are the 2013 NBA Finals champions. Mabuhay po kayo. And we miss you and we'll see you back in Manila. Nagbabalik po ang NBA Finals.
This